Hello, I'm Michael Hainsworth from the TSX Broadcast Center. Everyone says you've got an impeccable sense of style. Are you telling me that the pocket handkerchief's coming back?
Oh, it never left. It never left. It's a staple in my closet. It's a way to kind of affirm, and you're having a kind of a lit and exciting day. You just kind of show it off in the pocket square.
TMX Group's Luc Fortin isn't getting a lot of sleep these days, and it's because of our changing style of investing.
What really keeps me up at night is the fact that we've got to keep pace with a lot of the global change that is happening. Essentially, my responsibilities span from overseeing the cash equity markets, our cash fixed income business, which is Shorcan, and obviously, one of the large growth drivers for TMX, our derivative business, which is the Montreal Exchange. So very privileged to be overseeing these businesses and great teams driving that business.
One of the key challenges TMX has is the breakneck speeds at which the markets are evolving.
As these changes come about, we've got to be able to deliver them and deliver them quickly. It's not only about building it and hoping that they will come, it's just listening to their needs and actually coming up with the products that fit those needs, and you're bound to see success if you run your business that way.
There's a significant cost to running a business. TMX recognizes that, and that clients need liquidity and transparency.
We've seen since the crisis in 2008, there's been global focus on, moving businesses away from traditional OTC markets to listed marketplaces. And it really is our responsibility to just make that transition for them all that more welcoming.
TMX takes a 360 view, giving clients the ability to look across cash and derivatives, equities, or fixed income, look at all these asset classes, so there isn't a segmented view of their trading activities.
They have to take a holistic view of this, and really having the privilege of being involved in all these different asset classes plays a sort of a big role, and it's a huge responsibility for us to try and deliver on that for them. And derivatives is a global business. It's a global marketplace. And I genuinely think that the work that we've been doing in terms of globalizing our own marketplace will go a long way in terms of meeting client needs. And over the course of the last, say, 3, 4, 5 years, we've really been picking up pace in terms of reinvigorating products, working with clients to deliver solutions to them that will really answer their needs. We've got a Canadian address, but our addressable market is the world. Derivatives is definitely a perfect example of that. So I'm from the OTC fixed income world, and having spent 23 plus years in some segments of the OTC fixed income world, the international clients represent in excess of 60% of the activity that's transpiring.
TMX takes the role of trusted advisor seriously, particularly in the age of the algorithm.
That in my mind, being from a sales background, it's the epitome of what drives client relationships, is listening to their needs and being able to deliver on those needs. And I think being a trusted advisor, even in the world of algos, still goes a long way in terms of delivering solutions for them.
Will Fortin ever ditch the pocket square for a dashing bow tie?
That may be in the years to come, but for the time being, I think the pocket square kind of allows you to basically show off a little flair, but at the same time be a little bit more relaxed.